Why don't we write secrets on a rum bottle, you ask? Because chances are someone will spill it. There's nothing quite like a good rum joke to start us off, isn't there? It's almost as rich and complex as the drink itself, with layers of humour that just keep unfolding. But don't worry, this isn't a comedy show about rum. It's a journey into the heart of this beloved spirit. Now that we've shared a laugh, shall we dive into the fascinating process of making rum? Rum, oh sweet rum, born from the love of sugarcane and sunshine. Now let's rewind to the very genesis of this liquid sunshine. It all starts in the lush fields of sugarcane, swaying gently under the warm sun. The sugarcane plants, after basking in the sunshine, are harvested at their sweetest. Next, this harvested sugarcane is not for a leisurely stroll. Oh no, it's straight to the crusher where it's squashed to extract its sweet, sweet juice. This juice is then boiled, not for a cup of tea, but to create a thick, gooey syrup. Now hold on to your hats, folks. This syrup is then crystallized to produce sugar. But what's left behind, the unsung hero of this tale, is the molasses. This dark, sticky liquid is the very essence that goes into the making of our beloved rum. So the next time you sip on that rum, remember the sugarcane fields basking in the sun. From the sugarcane fields, we move to the fermentation vats, where the real magic happens. Now, fermentation, my friends, is not just a fancy word for a yeast party. It's a crucial step in our rum-making journey. Picture this. Molasses, that sticky, sweet byproduct of sugarcane, is mixed with water and yeast, creating a concoction that looks quite unassuming. But don't be fooled. Beneath the calm surface, there's a frenzy of activity. The yeast, those microscopic party animals, are feasting on the sugar in the molasses. As they eat, they produce carbon dioxide and, voila, alcohol. This process transforms the mix into a wash, which, despite sounding like something you do with your laundry, is actually a liquid with about 5 to 7% alcohol content. Ah, fermentation, the miraculous process where sweet molasses turns into a potent party potion. Now, we enter the realm of distillation, where our party potion gets its kick. It's here that the magic truly happens, transforming the wash from a run-of-the-mill mixture into a potent and tantalizing drink. Picture this, the wash is gently heated in a still, not unlike a cauldron over a witch's fire. As the temperature rises, the alcohol starts to evaporate. It's almost as if it's bidding farewell to its humble sugarcane origins and embracing its more spirited future. This vapor then embarks on a journey through a long, winding pipe. And at the end of this journey, it condenses back into liquid form. But this is not the same liquid as before. Oh no, it's now a stronger, clearer spirit, ready to take on the world, or at least the insides of your cocktail glass. Distillation, the step that turns our potion into a true spirit. And that, my friends, is the drama of distillation. The journey is almost complete, but not before our spirit gets a little wisdom with age. Now this is where things get interesting. Our newly born rum, still a tad green behind the ears, is stored in wooden casks. And we're not talking about any old barrels here. These are carefully selected, often charred oak casks that have housed everything from bourbon to sherry. You see, rum is a bit of a sponge. It absorbs the character of whatever was in the cask before it. A bit like a teenager going through a phase, really. This cask-cradling phase can last several years. The longer the rum stays in the cask, the darker and richer it becomes, like a well-baked fruitcake, or George Clooney. But it's not just about getting a sun-kissed tan. The aging process also enhances the flavour of the rum, infusing it with a complexity that could make a detective novel look like a children's book. Finally, after what can feel like an eternity, the rum is ready to be bottled. This isn't a simple process either. It's a bit like getting a teenager ready for prom. It takes time, care, and a lot of coaxing. And there you have it, from a field of sugarcane to a bottle of joy. Remember, the secret to great rum is patience and a bit of sunshine.